Girl, I jump on a minibus.
Driver, we got turn off. Alright. Let me know if I've heard this to them. Yeah.
Yeah man, I'm gonna tell you man one key word, it's a man more. Yes. Yeah man. This, you know what I'm describing the package, brother.
Driver, which way you take? I don't know.
No man, she asked for the turn off, so we are trying to come out. No man, we know where we come man, everything go man. Yeah. Yeah man, big brown, same brown one. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you man, where me waiting now? Red, same way, you know the way things go man. Red as blood. Yeah man, brother, the promises of your pick up, I'm gonna deliver. Let's tell you man, one thing is man, you know me as a brother, you don't have to worry yourself, go back, package there. You don't have to worry yourself, brother. You don't have to worry yourself, man. Yeah man, I'm ready. Yeah man, but tell you, get the package and we are deliver. Tell you, you can keep forward. Yeah man, and for yourself man.
Blood of Jesus.
Blood Jesus Christ.
You think you take me away in here? You think me not hear you talk about the package? But you not take me away today. You not take me away. You think me not hear about to know? You think me not hear about to know? You think me not hear about to know? Driver,
you wake me up and you put your ball in.
But package. Olive, I'm anointed water.
Anointed what?
Anointed water.
This is insane.
Wanna not take me to that?
Take you away for what?
Let me out.
Miss,
let me out.
Which carry me
driver?
This is Gregory Park.
Driver, let me out.
What you mean your package? Look around here so you see one package. Oh. And then you may talk about
no, look, no.
No. Wait. Stop. Miss, look.
The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus. Stay now.
Miss, why me take you away? See the package here. See it here.
Where? More package.
Some more.
Hey guys, so this is going to be the making of Taximan Saga. I'm here with Tanya. She is one of the members of the cast for our little episode that we're gonna be launching on YouTube. And on the back we have some stuff. So we're going over to the mall in Portmore because that's where we're gonna be shooting today. So I'm gonna show you a few members who are in cars ahead of us, and when I get there we're gonna show you the entire crew. Right, so you guys will get to go behind the scenes of how Taximan Saga come to life. Right? Guys, the devil fight me, but Chima knows him knows. I may have faith enough like the woman with the issue of blood. I just got up this morning and I'm not well, and I don't get sick, but make him want to push him ugly head. He's a loser. God is with me. Anyway guys, see you when I get to the mall. Alright, so guys, man, blocking. We're having a bit of a problem, a bit of a challenge, because the mall is being worked on. So the area I chose to do the move scene may not work. So I don't know. So the people from the crew there, and Miss Fang there, I don't know. We're gonna have to choose a different spot because we need afternoon. We need enough life and action happening, so we're gonna have to make it happen. Alright? So clearly they're going to try to come out on that side.
You can let me see how much I do.
No. You can see Tina clear.
I'm seeing Tina clear too. No, I'm seeing her clear in my camera. Do your facial expressions, T.
kind of sit out, Jane. See if you sit. I have something to sit. Can you fast? Yeah, that no good.
Alright, expression.
The one Poochie cat. I said, Poochie, they can't call my phone about all this. I said, no, who you are, you call my phone. You should have tell me about this at Chris wife. I said, when me and Chris baby mother walk, and the girl go belong on the phone. No, I'm not pretty. I'm not saying I catch two bride, I shall call my phone, but I said, I want to book her, that I want to.
Alright.
Ah, baby, you ready? Yeah, man, come in, come in. Water food, come in. Have a seat.
Just take away your friends. I cannot go with you.
Your school, no, mommy, man.
I'm saying what you want, I'm still joking this
Your school, no, man. Go to your school, no, mommy.
driver, joke together, but we had a taxi man there when they car.
Yo, see me.
Driver,
Cool, no, mommy, man. Mommy, cool, no, man. Come in, no, mommy, man.
Tell you already, man.
Alright, stop it. That was not bad. But guess don't go too close to courts because I hear the something there.
Huh?
Don't go too close to courts because I hear the something there.
Take me a check for the blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
Stop.